you better close up all those tabs, man.
Yeah, my bad.
I will, I mean, if you want me to edit it out, I probably could, but
It was nothing bad.
yeah,
It should be fine.
okay.
Okay.
Week 10, I think. Oh, not. Yeah, no, we're good. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's all laid out nicely.
Nice. 6 questions. Can't be that bad.
Java APIs are like signal you can't remember what function these did. There's some questions about this, yeah. I'll take a screenshot so you guys can see it.
Can you copy the links to the Discord too? We can't click on it. Yeah. Thank you. So what are we looking at?
Integer API. The difference between has next int and int.
Okay, I'll look at the integer API.
Okay. And then
Do it.
Okay. Well, I think it's I think it's just easier to Google these questions instead of scanning through the, because for the integer API, has next doesn't even show up. But yeah, so the answer to that question is right from Google. Has next is used to check if there's more.
I find something analytic in the Discord. Gonna be need to restate or cite this answer. I don't know how is that.
Probably not, right?
is this like paraphrase what you gave me?
Yeah, I guess you could. Not even really. I mean, it's just a sentence. It's like hard to. You can say like has next is you used to see if there are any remaining elements. And this is for what?
What's the delimiter? Is that has next works with the default delimiter? Something like this.
Wait, so next int probably returns an integer then, right? And then has next int returns a boolean on if it is there.
Yep. So I guess you could say boolean has next.
For reading.
Too strange.
Maybe it's not working. Which is used to check if there is another line in the input of this. This is for has.
This one I'm not too sure about.
The second one.
Yeah.
So the second one, if you go to General API, there, if you Control F source version, it tells you the source version of Java programming language. See the appropriate edition of Java. I think that's the right one. It's called source version. I'll just send you the link directly.
Source version.
I think this is what he's looking for. I honestly do not know. It's such a weird question.
No, there's just no vision of shot.
Like it's just like release 7, right?
There's no.
If you check, there's release 0, 1, 2, 3, and I guess like the 7th one is what the question was asking.
The source version, under the constant release _7.
Oh no, pal. Question mark.
I can understand what the second question. Is that if you were working with this, you can Google it.
See the fucking thing.
So for question 2.
Yeah.
So for question 2, it's just asking if we're working with a different version of Java, what is the easiest way to reach the API? So like what I found was that if you had source version, if you use that function, it basically allows you to use the version of or let me read what it says. It allows you to use the quote unquote appropriate edition for the Java language for a particular source version. So I think that's what they're asking for. Because if you do, so the enum would be, it's an enum operator, and you can choose between 0 to 8 which version you want. And I think what it allows you to do is that you can get different versions of Java. So if you did, I don't know, enum source version, and in the quotes you have release 7, you get the 7th edition of Java. which I think was what he's going for.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
String API with functions are named the same as in C++. Do you remember?
Wait, what did he say?
So I'm looking at question 4.
In the string API, there's a lot of different
I know, right?
functions. Maybe we can just name a few.
Yeah.
Listen. I think that's one.
Okay. Well, let's see.
Basic string functions here.
Yeah. So that is for C++? Yep. Okay. Swap erase pushback. Max length size. Begin end R begin. Okay. There is equals, or is it equal? Oh no, it's empty.
Side.
Compare, concat. How is this one of the hardest questions there? Is length there? Length. Okay, we got one. Length. Or did you already write down some? Nope.
Oh, I'm doing number 2.
Yeah, okay, take your time then. I'll just keep in mind some,
I just finished it.
okay.
Oh no, hit the fucking plant.
So,
Wait. Let's see. Wait, what's the function called?
so it's, there's 2 functions I got so far. It's length. Replace is another one that's named the same as in C++. So far, what I have.
This you said?
So length and
How is he doing?
replace, right?
Wait, Bodhi, can you try to like talk a little quieter? Can you try to talk quieter?
Okay. I hate how the I'm looking at the here. This is what I'm looking for, the Java ones. So that's what I'm looking. That's what I'm comparing the two with. Or do you have your own? Because I don't know if this is the same as the one with
I'm
the
using,
AP.
I'm using this.
Yeah, the string one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, fair enough.
Okay, I'll go from the bottom to the top, I guess.
Alright, Pedro is the first.
I mean, I don't think we need everything, right? We just need a couple.
too many functions. I'll just check real quick. A ladder.
Is this the right way to find the functions? Because there's no length or replace, which is unfortunate.
There's a link in this one.
Really? How
Yeah.
come I can't see it?
Link.
Maybe I'm not looking the right place. Oh my god, I'm looking at the integer API one, obviously.
Nice.
Oopsie daisy. Okay, so replace does exist, and yeah, length also exists. Okay, cool.
Wait, replace it exists?
Yeah, replace exists, so in both. It's just asking whether or not it has the same name, not whether or not it does the same, right? So yeah, what functions are named the same? Maybe we can give something. How many examples do you have already?
I'm looking from the back of the list from the to the front.
I don't think there's a need. I think if we have like 4 or 5, we should be
I have
good.
2 examples.
Oh, okay. That includes the length and replace?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Maybe there's a copy. Oh, that's copy value. I think you might have found the only ones. There's no shot. Pass. Oh well. Okay, great.
Yeah, I think those are the only 2 there. To
Yeah, because I can't find anything else. Wow.
Maybe we can
So
just say they have the plus operator, but those aren't functions.
I don't think that's yeah, that's it says non-member function overloads. So I don't think it counts. This is not a member function. I mean, honestly, we found 2. That's at least better than 0. So
Yeah.
In Java, we call them methods. In CPP, we call them functions. Just some of them.
okay. Is there a severity? Wait, what were you saying, Miriam?
I find this. It said Java method and C++ CPP function kind of same. In CPP we call them function. In Java we call them and use them as a method.
Well, it might have the same function, but we're looking for the same name. So we're not looking for if it does the same thing. We're looking for if it's called the same thing. So it's just annoying to kind of find or copy and paste the name and then relocate it later.
I think those are the only 2. I went through the full list.
Yeah, same. No, it's barren in terms of similarity. In the general API, is there a severity class? This is simple search. There is. Wow. That's a simple one. The string API. What functions are used to compare other strings? Isn't it compare to? Compare. Yeah, it is literally compared to. Wow. Yeah, just look up a little bit. So, yeah.
Isn't there like another one too?
Oh yeah, this is what functions. Yeah, fair enough. So there is compared to and then compared to ignore case right underneath.
I remember there was one where it was like, this one gives an, there's one that gives a boolean.
Is that the equals? It might be the equals.
Oh yeah, it might be equals.
So equals compare strings to a specified object, and then
I think compare to are compared to equals. They're the only ones who
I see.
mentioned in the lecture or whatever.
Is used to
But we
compare
can-
other strings. Yeah, fair enough. Okay. That took a surprisingly long amount of time, so maybe we could speed up a little bit. Hopefully the rest isn't too difficult.
I'll send you links.
Yeah. Download and import. Okay.
Mexico.
You should copy the link as the
Okay, thank you.
Oh my god.
So Java.
Yeah, this is for the second one.
Yep. So we gotta make class student, and this is all what is this pastebin? Oh, this is literally the rest of the questions here. Except for the last one. Okay, great. So class is called driver. Good to know. Launch. Driver, Java 11, module name, driver. is it class? Okay, class. This one is called driver, I guess. Okay, public class driver. Okay. Create the scanner code to gather a float and integer using the variables already created. Okie
Can you see any comment on the code?
comment under what?
Oh, copy it.
Yeah. So there. So if you go to the paste bin, so underneath, so the actual code there has no Wait, is this the same? Wait, the first thing you copied and pasted, that wasn't relevant to the question 2, 3, and 4? Brendan? Or was the first thing relevant to it?
The second question?
Yeah, so you posted two things. One was the paste bin, and the other one, what was that?
Oh, the first one was, this had two files in it.
Oh,
It
okay.
had student, and then the paste bin was too big to put in Discord.
Okay,
That's the
gotcha.
other file that had.
So there's two classes. One is student, and then one is... Okay, got it. So I guess to do this, we need two classes. New... This one is called student. And in this class, we put this. Java import java.util. Okay. Okay, cool. Haha. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, so you need both. So the student Java, so you need to create a hold up. So basically your package explorer should look something like this. If you wanted to know for reference. Oh yeah, or just look at what he's doing. Create the scanner. Okay. Scanner input.
Can you run it?
Does yours run?
Yeah.
Okay. System.
Hey, question two. You create the scanner code, gather it in the page. It's not cool.
Yeah.
So scanner.
I think we
usually,
need Java util scanner, right?
Okay.
No, I'm stupid. Never mind to ignore me. What is the package for?
How do you do it?
Scanner, new scanner. Yeah,
I
okay.
haven't used Java in like 3 years.
It's fine. It's not that hard.
Yeah.
When we have Java util, start all the libraries included, as far as I remember.
Java util scanner. Okay. Did I do it right? In the tabs. System.out.
Okay. How do you do this? Please enter your name.
We have something in Node. I think it's like this.
Okay, so it is string input is equal to, and then it's, oh crap, scanner, score. Let's do it like this. String input is called score dot next line.
That's not too bad. First one. I remember there's this trick you can do. You can do sys out and then control space and then it like auto types it. That's kind of cool.
Sys out.
Yeah, you just type sys out and then do control and space in the Eclipse and it just like does the whole thing.
Jesus Christ, that is a time saver. That is beautiful. Thank you. I've learned a lot more than the lecture.
Yeah, I don't even know where I learned that from.
Oh, but it's kind of funky for me when I do the thing. Let's try this again. Please enter the grade you received 12. And 12 is inputted. Great.
Okay, I think that looks good. Do we have to submit it part by part?
No, it runs, right? So it's fine. But part by part, I think you can just, oh my god, you gotta do both. Yeah, just send me the screenshot of the result and the screenshot of the code. Yeah, so the code and then the screenshot of the results.
Probably do like an actual version.
Okay.
Should I just submit screenshots?
Yeah, no. I will send you a zip file. Do you know how to zip files? Because what you could do, you could just zip them yourself. So find like a folder in which to place these, have them side by side. Yeah. Or I can just send I could just send it. Yeah. Just give me a second. Yeah, just work on the question 3 and then I will look at these.
See it.
One. Two. Lab. This is what, lab 10? No,
9.
9. Lab 9, question 2. There we go. Yeah, you can just send them that.
Alright.
Wow. You just send them the zip file itself. Don't send the individual photos because it counts as 2 things. However, if you go click on downloads, yeah, no, like so you click on downloads and you can see the L2. Yeah, that's what you send it to. So just that itself, you send it. So you can go to browse files. No, you can't do it individually because it only accepts 1 file. However, what it can accept is it also can accept the folder of files. So if you go to question 2, you can see browse local files, and then yeah, you just click on that and do open.
But inside of it, what are these?
Oh, they don't actually show up. Oh, okay. Sorry, my bad. I need to just right click them and change the file type to yeah, rename and then call it.
I don't know if that'll work or not.
Pretty sure.
Oh, that
Well,
works.
yeah, it does. So just call it I don't know, question 2 part A or something, and then question 2 part B. .png obviously.
I might just be able to type code and output.
Yeah, code output. Okay, I'll do that then for the rest.
Is this how he likes it to be submitted, or?
Yeah, that's how I was doing it before, because he wants the code and the output. However, you can only send it 1 file. So he says some people just zipped it. So I was like, okay, I'm just zipping it from now on. And you literally just send it, yeah. You don't need to change the. Yeah, I think I'll do that underscore. Fair enough.
There's, what do you do?
You can just send the file. That's fine.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah. Doesn't matter. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, just double check that that's the, yeah, that's the right one. Okay. It's good. Also, if you do, even if it's a fluke, he can just change the files to PNG and it'll still work. So either way, it doesn't matter. Question number 3.
I think Brandon is working on 3, right or not?
What?
Is Brandon working on 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to work on 4?
I tried to work on it. I don't know. I tried. Put it in the Discord. Can you check it?
Okay, hold on. I can check it. Public long gets students, return student ID. This is for question 4. Let's see. Create an instance of a student here. Call and pass student and a curved value to curved grade function.
I didn't work. Okay.
Display the function. Only the get. Yeah, so for in your case, you will need to pass the
Last one you mentioned right now.
so yeah, so call and pass student. So you will need to in the first part. So in this part, it would be something along the lines of student, and then curve or float curve. So it'd be like this, and then the return statement would be something like return student student ID plus curve, something like this. Yeah, but overall it's good. It works.
That's good.
Okay, wait, I was trying to see this.
So float result. Five with a 200% curve is 15, right?
Okay.
Yeah, there we go.
Right. It's probably coming out there.
Okay. Mm.
I don't have like two code techniques.
Yep. Okay. so output dot png, and this is code part A dot png. Okay, there we go. I mean, if it makes it easier, you can just write it, and then I can just reformat question 3. It doesn't change much, so.
Oh, good. Here,
Oh, okay.
actually, okay. Like,
You should give yourself 100. I think that seems fair.
okay.
Exactly. You're gonna get 110% with the curve.
Yeah.
I think that has to be before it, right? So, before the call of it. No, I lied. Never mind.
Oh, it's an inference. Wait, what?
Oh, it's 2.
Oh.
You're passing in 2 things. You're not passing in.
You're not returning anything? Oh, it's just called on a student, so. Okay. Java uses this, right? I don't know. You probably do this too.
Yeah. Well, what are you trying to go for? Cause. Override set score. What? No, it calls only one variable? Oh, it does.
Randomly lowercase. Okay,
Okay.
that's a bit. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, do you want me to send you
Yeah. So I'll update the first code part A for question 3.
For part 5,
Yep.
in line 95, it means just uppercase every letter in the like La Poli, or just one of them, the first one.
Question 5.
Yeah, because it's asked which one is gonna change, which value were changed by the function. I'm not sure exactly. Are you familiar with Java or?
No, not in the slightest. Notice the display below which of the value of word changed by the function.
Well, I don't think any of them will, right?
Well, let's see. So here's the resulting value for value 1. Call
Mhm.
passing exercise. What does passing exercise do?
At the line 95.
Okay. X is equal
Oh,
to.
you think the
Oh,
two-
okay.
Wait, no.
So the values changed was the int. Oh wait, none of them. Yeah, none of them because it's passed by. Oh shoot, which one is passed by reference and which one is passed by variable, or passed by value? Which data types in Java are passed by reference? Java is strictly passed by value, so none of them change.
Okay.
So everything is passed by value. Okay, cool. Are you done with question 4? Because then you can take a screenshot of that too. This is good. Okay. See, send Bluetooth. That's not what I wanted. Lab 9 Q3. Okay. There we go. This is A G.
Oh, 2 more questions after this.
Yep.
Okay. So question 5.
Then G. How much time do we have?
35 minutes.
Okay. Lab 9 Q4. Is that all that prints out?
Huh?
The new score for the student, is that there? Oh yeah, it's there. Okay, never mind. Yep. So all there. Okay, so this is 4.
What is pass?
So, 5 is just asking which values are gonna change, but this is I checked on Geeks for Geeks, and it says this. If you click it, it will tell you that Java is strictly passed by value. So that means everything that's in a function that doesn't return anything, it's not gonna change. So to answer the question, nothing is gonna change. So they will all return as they were, or all print out what they originally were.
So that's a little different.
Yeah.
Well,
Just arrays.
Yeah.
I don't think you can print out value 4 just like that. What it sent was the address of the of where the array is at. So I think it's fine. Like the whatever the I add to thing, I think is perfectly fine. Is there, if you alt tab, yeah, is there a place where you can write something for 5? Yeah, I think here, what are all Java primitive types? So int, float, string, all Java primitive
Float, boolean.
types.
Aren't they like capitalized or something?
That's not primitive.
So those are all, there's 8 of them, so yep.
Just capitalization. Okay. Boolean, byte, double.
Object and purpose. Okay.
Long. It was short. Turn that one in. Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
Victor, can you check this, whatever I put in the Discord?
Okay.
I'm gonna.
In Java, all the references type, like objects, arrays, are passed by reference, while all primitive types are passed by value. Yep, this is true. This is true.
And if you look at the code, isn't line 54 is array? Am I wrong? I'm not remember Java code actually. And I remember whatever in the bracket is gonna be array, right?
Yeah, it is an array, but
So wait, nothing is passed by reference in Java.
it's so. Wait, what is going on? Hold on. Let me find this statement. Java is strictly passed by value. Array. Okay, hold on.
So I guess string builder lets you pass by reference.
I sent a link of this page actually.
I don't know. I mean, it's like-
Maybe we can go to the question 6 and go back to this. But okay.
Array are objects, yes, but nothing in Java is passed by reference. So all parameters, or all parameter passing is by value. That's what Stack Overflow is saying. What? So your thing is saying that arrays are objects. This thing is saying pass by reference in Java. Let me read what this is. In Java, all reference type like objects arrays are passed by reference, while all primitive types are passed by that. That doesn't make any sense. This is too contradictory. So Stack Overflow is saying that an array is not an object. When was this? 90 years ago. When was this made? Mm-mm-mm.
I think pass by reference. I think it passes by value for everything.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Because, I mean, we also did the check. Instead, so here, I think instead of value for, what we do is we say like value for bracket 0 is the best way to check whether or not it did something. Let me just... I'm gonna test it really quickly. So it went from value 4 is still 2. Yeah, so even if you do value 4 bracket 0, wait, go to the code real quick. The easiest way to check is by just manually plugging it in. If you go to value 4 in the thing, you see the 4, the system.out that prints the 4 side by side. Yeah, that one right there. If you go to value 4 and afterwards write the brackets value 0, that's the one that got changed, right? So it should go from a 2 to a negative 21. Is it? No, okay, that makes sense. Wait, did it change?
I guess arrays are.
Ooh, that's interesting. That is interesting. I guess the reason why mine didn't change is because I forgot to plug it into the function. I'm just stupid. Okay. Yeah, I forgot to call the
It totally doesn't change. The string isn't a primitive though, right?
Well, no, string is not, but short is, I think.
Wait. Oh, you said short?
Yeah, isn't that part of the family of it?
No, I'm talking about the string for Lupoli. So
Uh.
all primitives are passed by reference, right? Or passed by value.
Passed by value. No, it should be everything is passed by value. That's what's got me so confused. But I guess it's not. I guess the site that I was looking at was wrong. Wow. Either way, there's no need to fret. We just say the value 4 is the only one that changed. Because arrays are objects, and objects are passed by reference. Let me look through the notes real quick, what he is talking about. Maybe he said something specific about this.
It said a string is a very special class that's passed by reference.
A string...
It's sharp in my book, not in Java. Give me a second. All arguments in Java passed by value.
Wait, I know what I could do. I could t out array here. Or sys out. And then if they give different memory addresses, then that means it's passed by value.
Yep. So one is showing...
They give the same memory address. Maybe it's just.
So it is
passes
reference.
Maybe it passes the memory address by value. Maybe that's what this post means. the Stack Overflow thing?
Okay, I think we have just 20 minutes for questions.
I don't know.
Okay, so when you pass an array, the reference is copied as a value.
Okay, okay. That makes sense. So it's like pseudo pass by reference. The reference is duplicated and then. What? This is just contradictory information.
Okay, pass by value, pass by value, pass by value, where the reference of the array is passed as a value. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
That
The difference
works.
between Java,
Between
I think this
str-
one, I was reading about it, I think it's that string builder lets you pass it by reference. I think maybe.
Mm-mm. Do-do-do. Aha! So they're string objects but can be modified. I guess we
Okay.
say modifiable string objects.
Where is it? Strings cannot be modified.
Function. Oh, method.
I don't know if they're called method. Method is
No, method is part of the API. I think we just call it function. Yeah, Patty, you just pass it to function.
our
Our function is called functions.
okay, our function. Okay, that's what I thought.
Okay, so method.
So it's just interchangeable.
Yeah.
Strings modified and pass function.
Yep.
Is it called the string builder? Like string builders can.
No, it's the method itself or the function call is string builder. So you can call it string builder. Then Okey-dokey. Yeah, I think that's a good way to put it. A string is mutable in Java, while string builder is not. Oh, you see it the other way around. Um, can you check the point value of the other questions? I'm just curious for something. So the last one is worth 1 point. Oh, they're all worth 1 point. Okay, fair enough.
Okay, I need to close some tabs.
I mean, we list 3. I think it's fine with that. Yeah. No, that's string buffer. Yeah. What is the advantage of string builder? The next one. So right underneath the faster one. If you go up, right? Yeah, right there.
A string and a string build, right?
I mean, I think it's fine with this because it's impossible to find anything else.
Just check this link as the, I don't know, it should, I just check this link on.
String builder.
Or,
Dot Oracle. Yeah, we were looking at that.
um,
String builder objects are like string objects, except they can be modified. Currently, these objects are treated variable length arrays. Contain sequence of characters. Any point, the length and the content of the sequence can be changed. Okay, that's pretty solid.
Does this seem like the good enough? Strings can't be modified. I guess these two did pretty much the same thing.
Wasn't string builder talking about being faster than string buffer? I don't think it was talking about when comparing to strings, because it says
This is with a string versus string builder.
oh, my bad then. My bad. Fair enough. But Miriam also had a good point. I think we can just copy and paste the second part. So, we can say like string builder. Our string builder is treated like object length arrays, or string builder strings, or you can mention how one is like a changeable array.
we'll find another thing.
Yeah.
Check the, I don't know, can you see it or read it or not? In the blue box, in the first column is a string,
Yep.
and in the second column is the string buffer.
Tonight's state, use string when it's not going to change much. Yes. Yeah, I think we got the main points already though. Like we already written 5 things. Yeah. This point is just the same information.
Read save. Thread save.
But they're both thread safe. So the thing is, since they're both thread safe, it's not a difference. We're only looking for differences.
No, the string builder is not
Thread
is
safe.
no thread safe.
Ah.
Is thread safe. Thread safe.
Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry, I was looking at string buffer. Okay. Okay, so string is thread safe and. All right. How do I do this?
probably.
A storage area. Okay. Yeah, as you mentioned, the performance in a string is fast, but in a string buffer is slow.
Yeah, but that's string buffer. We're only in string builder.
Oh, builder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I think that's good. Can you double check to make sure that the actually I can double check it too. So lab 9 question 4. These actually have the right folders. Question 4. Yep. Okay. Cool.
I mean, I guess it's still like kind of finicky, right?
String builder?
Yeah, I don't think I can say that it's passed by reference because everything is still passed by value.
Yeah.
Say its reference is passed by value.
Do you want to just delete the whole line? Or
I think it like that is right.
yeah, string builder's reference is passed by reference, so you can change it. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Passed by value.
Yep. There we go. I think we're good. Honestly, I wish I knew more about Java. It would have been a little bit smoother.
In class, we go to the problem, to the coding about hello world.
Yeah, but I mean, this is not too.
Yeah.
It's not too difficult. The only issue that I had was the I don't even think there was an issue. I don't know why I'm even stuttering. I think it was fine.
Wait, did you show up for class?
The second one? Nah, I was busy.
You might. No. Fucking from my agreement.
Oh, okay.
There's a thing last class where you might want to show up for the next
Gotcha.
one at least because
Yeah.
there's like a thing in the class where there's like a project. He places you into groups. There's an expert, experienced, and rookie group. And he puts
Oh,
you-
right. Oopsie daisy. That's my bad.
But if you're in the rookie group, then you don't have to do a project. But if you're in the expert or experienced group, then you don't have to do as many labs. So for the lab after next week's lab, I won't be joining in, I think.
Gotcha. Well, let's see. How do you check your group?
I don't know. He showed me.
Ah, shit.
He should be able to. You should be able to be fine though. If you show up next class.
Lab session completion survey. Okay.
You might want to try to get in the rookie group too, even if you feel like you're experienced, because you have to do the project, and you would be like a little behind or whatever.
The only issue is that I completely full confidence when I sent the email, like on Tuesday, right? We sent the email to tell them like what our experience is. Yeah, I said that I was fully experienced. Wait, are we done? Yeah, we are. Okay.
Why
So
did he say